balls. Give them a problem. If you drop your ball, it breaks, but if you drop my ball, it bounces. But why does that matter? Well, why do you want to break your stuff? You don't want to break anything. If you're going to buy a ball, you need to buy my ball, so it never breaks. I'm going to give you a special deal on this ball right now. Identify a problem and sell. If you can identify a problem with people, couple that in with the why, you're going to sell shit all day long. All day long. So even my cam girls did this, man. Even my cam girls would do this. They'd be talking to a guy and they wouldn't say, come private, I'm so horny, da 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 da. They'd give them a problem. They'd say, you're not satisfied, I can tell. I'd be like, LOL, what do you mean? I don't know, I can tell by the way you talk, I don't think you're really satisfied. When's the last time you came really hard? The guy's like, even they had a last week with my wife, or you're right, or it doesn't matter what they say. You've now told him there's a problem.